In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email to your Monday.com board. By the end, you'll know how to invite someone to your board using their email so they can collaborate, get updates, and start contributing right away. First, open your Monday.com account and land on the home page. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace where your board lives and that you have permission to invite people. If you're part of a larger team, double check that inviting new members aligns with your account's admin or security settings. From home, head to Workspaces. This is where all your boards are organized. Select the workspace that contains the board you want to share. If you have many workspaces, use the sidebar and search to quickly find the right area. Open the board you want to collaborate on. Once you're inside the board, look to the top right for the invite button. This is your gateway to bringing people in. Click it to open the invite panel. At the top of this panel, there's a search field. Use it to look for teammates who might already be part of your account or who were previously added to the board. If they appear in the results, simply select them to grant access without sending a new invite. If the person isn't listed, choose the option to invite a new member by email. You'll see a field to enter their email address. Type it carefully, watching out for typos, and make sure you're using the address they actively check. If your organization restricts external guests, confirm that the domain is allowed before proceeding. When the address looks good, click Invite. Monday.com will send an email with a secure link to join the board. The person will appear as a subscriber once they accept. If you need them to view only or take specific actions, you can adjust their role and permissions on the board after they've joined. That helps keep your data organized and protected while still enabling collaboration. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. If the invite doesn't arrive, ask the recipient to check their spam or promotions folder. You can resend the invite from the same panel if needed. For teams with strict controls, verify with your admin that board-level invites are allowed and that guest access is enabled if you're working with people outside your company. That's it. You've navigated to your board, opened the invite panel, searched for existing members, added a new email, and sent the invite. Now your collaborators can jump in and start working with you on Monday.com.